In 1908, a mysterious book titled The Kybalion emerged, credited to three anonymous authors known as the Three Initiates. They meticulously compiled the wisdom of the ancient master Hermes Trismegistus, rooted in Pharaonic Egypt and linked to the deity Thoth. This enigmatic work aimed to distill the vast ancestral knowledge of ancient civilizations into 7 understandable and applicable Hermetic principles. These principles serve as a guide for those seeking to grasp the fundamental laws of the universe and how they can be harnessed to consciously influence the physical, mental, and spiritual planes of existence. Historically, these teachings have been zealously protected by secret societies and lodges, keeping this knowledge under strict confidentiality. Reading these ancient texts alone often does not reveal their full meaning. Due to persecution across various eras, practitioners encoded their teachings in symbolic or cryptic language. Most alchemical and hermetic texts exemplify this approach. Only a few truly comprehend these texts, and even fewer put them into practice. Unused or unexpressed knowledge becomes ineffective, offering no benefit to its possessor. It's essential not only to study these axioms and aphorisms, but also to integrate them into daily life. One must internalize, practice, and apply these principles, as they only become valuable through application. The Kybalion delineates 7 pivotal principles, each offering a distinct insight into the mechanics of the universe and tools for personal and spiritual growth. Let's explore each one in depth and learn how to master them to alter our reality. The principle of mentalism posits that the all is mind, the universe is mental. This idea suggests that everything in the universe is a creation of the mind, emphasizing that our reality is shaped by our thoughts. By mastering our mental states, we can transform our experiences. To alter your reality, it is essential to first acknowledge the power of your thoughts. Every thought you entertain has the potential to influence your reality, as the universe operates on the principle that mental energy precedes physical manifestation. In practical terms, one powerful technique is visualization. By regularly visualizing your desired outcomes with vivid clarity and intense emotion, you can create mental images of the reality you wish to bring into existence. Visualization involves more than just seeing pictures in your mind. It requires you to engage all your senses and emotions, making the imagined scenario as real as possible. This mental rehearsal helps to align your subconscious mind with your goals, making it more likely for you to take actions that will lead to their fulfillment. Another effective method is the use of affirmations. Positive affirmations are statements that you repeat to yourself to reprogram your subconscious mind. By consistently affirming beliefs that align with your goals and aspirations, you can override negative thought patterns and replace them with empowering ones. For example, regularly stating, "I am confident and capable," can help build self-belief and resilience. Over time, these affirmations can transform your mental state, aligning your inner reality with the outer reality you wish to create. The principle of correspondence, encapsulated in the phrase, "as above, so below, as below, so above," underscores the connection between different levels of reality. This principle asserts that there is a harmonious relationship between the macrocosm and the microcosm, suggesting that changes in one can influence the other. By understanding and leveraging this interconnection, we can manipulate smaller aspects of our lives to affect change on a larger scale. One practical application of this principle is meditation. Through meditative practices, you can align your inner world with the outer world, seeking harmony and balance in your thoughts and actions. Meditation allows you to become more aware of the interconnectedness of all things, fostering a sense of unity and coherence between your inner mental state and external reality. By achieving this alignment, you create a conducive environment for positive change to manifest in your life. Another effective approach is the use of symbolism. Symbols that resonate with your goals can serve as powerful tools to communicate with both your subconscious mind and the universe. By incorporating meaningful symbols into your daily life, you can reinforce your intentions and aspirations, creating a constant reminder of your goals. These symbols can take various forms, such as objects, images, or even rituals, and they work by tapping into the deeper layers of your consciousness, aligning your inner desires with external outcomes. The principle of vibration, expressed in the statement, "Nothing rests, everything moves, everything vibrates," highlights the constant motion and unique vibrational frequency inherent in all things in the universe. According to this principle, everything from the smallest particle to the largest star is in perpetual motion, vibrating at different frequencies. By understanding and harnessing this concept, you can raise your own vibrational frequency to attract higher experiences and opportunities into your life. One practical method to elevate your vibrational frequency is through energy work. Practices such as Reiki and Qigong focus on the manipulation and harmonization of your body's energy fields. By engaging in these healing modalities, you can clear blockages, balance your energies, and increase your overall vibrational frequency. These practices not only promote physical well-being, but also enhance your emotional and spiritual state, creating a more positive and vibrant life experience. Another effective approach is cultivating positive emotions. Emotions like love, gratitude, and joy are associated with high vibrational frequencies. By consciously fostering these positive emotions, you can raise your vibrational state and attract similar energies into your life. For instance, practicing gratitude regularly can shift your focus from what is lacking to what is abundant in your life, thereby enhancing your overall vibrational frequency. Similarly, acts of kindness and expressions of love can create a ripple effect, drawing more positive experiences and opportunities toward you. The principle of polarity, encapsulated in the saying, "Everything is dual, everything has poles, everything has its pair of opposites," reveals that opposites are essentially different degrees of the same fundamental reality. This principle suggests that every quality or experience exists on a spectrum with its polar opposite. For instance, what we perceive as hot and cold are merely varying degrees of temperature. By understanding and manipulating these polarities, you can transform negative experiences into positive ones. A practical application of this principle involves shifting your perspective when confronted with challenges. By consciously choosing to focus on the positive aspects of a difficult situation, you can find opportunities for growth and learning. This mental adjustment helps to balance the negative with the positive, allowing you to navigate through adversity with a more constructive mindset. For example, viewing a setback as a lesson rather than a failure can empower you to move forward with greater resilience. Additionally, striving for balance in all areas of your life is crucial. Extreme thoughts and actions often lead to imbalance and discord. By seeking harmony and moderation, you align yourself more closely with the natural flow of polarity. This balanced approach not only reduces stress but also enhances your overall well-being, enabling you to navigate life's highs and lows with greater ease and clarity. The principle of rhythm, expressed as "everything flows, out and in, everything has its tides, all things rise and fall," highlights the cyclical nature of life. This principle teaches us that everything in existence operates in a series of natural rhythms and cycles. Recognizing and understanding these rhythms allows you to align yourself with the natural order, making it easier to manifest your desires and navigate life's ups and downs. By being mindful of the timing of your actions, you can enhance your effectiveness and achieve better outcomes. Aligning your efforts with natural rhythms, such as lunar phases or seasonal changes, helps you work in harmony with the universe's cycles. For instance, starting new projects during the waxing moon or setting intentions at the beginning of a new season can amplify your efforts and bring about more favorable results. Patience is also a key aspect of this principle. Understanding that everything has its time and season encourages you to trust in the natural flow of life. Recognize that periods of growth and decline are part of a larger rhythm, and that challenges and successes are temporary. By practicing patience and allowing things to unfold according to their natural course, you can maintain a balanced perspective and achieve your goals with greater ease. The principle of cause and effect, summed up as every cause has its effect, every effect has its cause, underscores the idea that nothing occurs by mere chance. This principle highlights the inherent connection between actions and their corresponding reactions. Every action you take, whether deliberate or unconscious, generates a ripple effect that shapes your experiences and outcomes. By understanding and applying this principle, you can consciously create the effects you desire in your life. To harness this principle effectively, practice mindfulness in your actions and decisions. Consider the potential outcomes of your choices and ensure that your actions align with your long-term goals. For example, if you aim to build strong relationships, deliberate efforts to communicate openly and support others will generate positive responses and deepen your connections. Additionally, understanding the concept of karma reinforces the importance of acting with integrity. Karma, the principle of moral cause and effect, teaches that good actions lead to positive outcomes, while negative actions result in undesirable consequences. By cultivating kindness, honesty, and respect, you create a positive karmic cycle that fosters beneficial effects in your life. Recognizing that every choice contributes to a larger pattern of cause and effect empowers you to act thoughtfully and intentionally, shaping your reality in alignment with your values and aspirations. The principle of gender, captured by the phrase, "Gender is in everything, everything has its masculine and feminine principles," addresses the dual aspects inherent in all creation. In this context, gender refers not to biological sex, but to the interplay of masculine, active, and feminine, receptive energies. These energies are essential components in the process of creation and manifestation. Balancing these energies within yourself can enhance your ability to create and achieve your goals more effectively. To apply this principle practically, focus on cultivating a balance between your masculine and feminine energies. The masculine energy is characterized by action, logic, and assertiveness, while the feminine energy embodies intuition, receptivity, and creativity. Engaging in activities that develop both aspects can lead to a more harmonious and effective approach to your endeavors. For instance, combining creative expression with logical reasoning allows for a well-rounded perspective and more innovative solutions. In your creative processes, integrate both intuitive and analytical approaches. The intuitive, or feminine, approach involves trusting your instincts and embracing the flow of creativity, while the analytical, or masculine, approach involves structuring and refining your ideas. By harmonizing these energies, you enhance your capacity to manifest your desires and achieve a more balanced and fulfilling outcome. In the end, the Kybalion offers profound insights into the nature of reality and provides practical tools for altering it through the power of the mind. By understanding and applying the 7 Hermetic principles, you can transform your thoughts, emotions, and actions to create the life you desire. Remember, the key to altering reality lies within your mind. Embrace the teachings of the Kybalion and embark on a journey of self-mastery and conscious creation. By integrating these principles into your daily life, you can harness the immense power of your mind to shape your reality and achieve your highest potential. The journey of transformation begins with a single thought. Make it a powerful one.